Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Okay, in this video I'll be teaching you how to add in your social link to your resume or your CV using Canva. I'll teach you how to add your certifications link, let's say the ones you get from e-learning platform like HubSpot Academy and Allison. So I'll teach you step by step on how to do that. All right, so if you are new to my channel, my name is Michael Zadema. I teach simple tips on how to use social tools. All right, so let's get started. You type in canva.com. Now, under the search section, you search a resume. Okay, then you choose any templates of your choice. All right, so let's go with this. Then you click customize this template. Okay, okay, so for the purpose of this video, we'll just head straight to the point, which is adding your social link and your certification link. All right, so to upload your picture to this, you go over to your upload and choose any photo. You can drag this or you click on it. So let's click on it. All right, so you can edit the name. Okay, so under contact, you edit this to LinkedIn. Then this to Linktree. All right, we'll take this off, take the icon off, take this off, and take this off. But you can actually add the LinkedIn icon and the Linktree icon to this. But we're not doing this now. I'm only showing you how to add in your links. So you come to skills. All right, so let's say social media marketing. Social media marketing. Sorry. Social media marketing, then customer service skills, customer service, customer service. Okay, all right, so to add the LinkedIn URL to this, we'll go to LinkedIn, click here. This is my LinkedIn profile. So to get your URL, you either click here or you click on me. You click on me, then you click on view profile. Okay, So this is my profile. So what you copy is this. This is your URL, your profile URL. So you copy this, you go back to the template. All right, you click on LinkedIn. There are two ways to add in your link. You can highlight this and click on the link icon, or you click on these three dots, which is more. Then you click on link. All right. So whichever way you want to use, you can do that. So click on the link icon, paste the URL which we copied from LinkedIn. Click done. You can see the link is added. Done. Now same thing on Linktree. You go to Linktree. All right. To get your URL, you go to share. Click copy. Go back to the template. Highlight this. Click the link icon. You paste. Say done. The link has been added. Then same thing on the social media marketing. You go back to LinkedIn. Then come down to license and certification, which is here. So you choose any certification which you want to use. So let's use this social media marketing. All right. So you click on the pencil icon. Then you come down to the credential URL. This is what you copy. You highlight this, copy it. You go back to the template. You close and go back to the template. All right. You highlight this and click the link icon. You paste. Done. It's been added. Then for the customer service, you also go back, click the pencil icon, you copy this. All right. Go back to the template. You highlight, click the link icon, you paste the URL, you click done. It's been added. All right. Now for this to work, for this to actually work, all right, you have to download this in a PDF format for it to work perfectly. Okay. So you go to share, you click on share. To download this, you go to share. Then you click download. Now you choose the PDF standard. This is the standard to choose. All right. So you click download. This will download the template. Now it's downloaded. Okay. So this is the PDF. I've opened it. Okay. So to confirm what we did, if it actually worked, I will click on the LinkedIn. I'll click on LinkedIn and it will take me to my profile. As you can see, this is my LinkedIn profile. All right. This is my LinkedIn profile. Now let's check the link tree. You go to your PDF. You click on link tree. Now this will take me to my link tree. So these are my work on Linktree. So when applying for a job and an employer click on this, this is where the link will take them to view some of your work which you have done. So let's check the certification. Let's go to skills and click on social media marketing. This will take me to Hotspot Academy. All right, we're here. So you can see my certificate. It says social media verified. Sorry, social media certified. Okay, so let's check the customer service. You click on customer service. This will take me to our lesson. All right, you can see your learner verification. So this to show that I completed this certification. I also completed the final assessment. So these are my score. All right. So you can see a simple and smooth, no complication. Everything is okay and it worked perfectly. So these are how to step by step on how to add your social link and your certification link to your resume using Canva. Okay. So thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please do like the video and turn on the notification bell to get notification when I share my next content. Thank you.